Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to use the tool points. I have covered the tool in two parts. To cover all the tools in it. To use the tool, go to Edit ribbon and click Points. In this tutorial, we shall look into tools that are highlighted within the box. Let us begin with On a Line tool. Click the tool and type in the number of points you want to create within the specified line. And click the start and the end point in a line to divide the line. The lines are equally divided within the specified distance. Next tool is On a Plane. Click on the icon, a dialog box appears. Specify the coordinates or pick the coordinates. Now type in a value of the points you want to create on a plane and click Create to create the points on that plane. You can also increase the number of points by adding the quantity star then the distance. After applying the changes, click on Create button to create the points. You can also provide the distance separately like 500 and 1000 for z-axis. The third tool is Parallel to 2 points. Click on the icon. Specify the distance you want to create the offsetted points. Click the start and the end point on a line. Note, the direction of the arrow indicates the direction of the points that are going to be offsetted. See, the points drawn are parallel to the line selected. Next tool is Along extension of 2 points. Click the tool and specify the distance you want to extend the points. Now, when you click 2 points in a line, a point is created at a specified distance from the second point picked. A negative value will create the point within the line. A point will be created in negative direction. Now, the third tool is the projected point on a line. Click the tool and select the line you want the point to be projected and then click on a point you want to project. See, the points are getting placed on the specified line. Next tool is Add Points Along Arc. Let me draw a circle and explain. Select the tool, a dialog box appears. Select the angle or distance button and type in the values as required. And click the points on the arc. Here I have clicked the center point and the point on the arc. A point is created at 50° angle from the point selected along the curve. Let me measure and show you. Now, if I give distance and type in a value, a point is created at mentioned distance from the second point specified on the arc. Next tool is Along the arc using 3 points. Click the tool and specify the distance as we have seen in previous tool. The difference is that we have to click the 3 points on the arc to create the points. Click the first point, midpoint and the last point. Along the arc, the points are created at 50° angle along the curve from the third point specified. That's it guys. We have seen all the tools mentioned earlier. Thank you guys and let us continue in point part 2.